In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cash on delivery, or COD, on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, your customers will be able to choose cash on delivery as a payment option at checkout, which can be a great way to increase trust and conversions, especially in regions where people prefer to pay when they receive their order. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store's admin area. This is the main control panel where you manage products, orders, and settings. Make sure you're on the home or any main admin page so you can see the left-hand menu clearly. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin and click on Settings. This is where all your store-wide configuration options live, including payments, shipping, and checkout preferences. We're going to focus specifically on payments. Inside the Settings page, locate and click on Payments. This section controls all the ways your customers can pay you, including credit cards, digital wallets, and manual methods like bank deposits or cash on delivery. Once you're on the payments page, scroll down until you see the area labeled Manual Payment Methods. Manual payment methods are options where payment is not processed automatically online. Instead, you or your team handle it manually, usually when the order is delivered or confirmed. Click on the option to add a manual payment method. From the list of available manual methods, select cash on delivery, often shown as COD. This tells Shopify that the customer will pay the courier or your delivery person in cash when the order arrives, instead of paying online during checkout. After selecting cash on delivery, you'll see a field labeled Additional Details. Click into this field and add information that explains this payment method to your customers. For example, you might clarify that COD is only available in certain areas, that customers should have exact cash ready, or that the delivery team will not carry change. Keep this short but clear, because customers will see it during checkout. Below that, you'll find a Payment Instructions field. Click into this and write step-by-step instructions for customers who choose COD. You can include details like how to confirm their order, what to expect on delivery day, and any identification or contact number they should have ready. This text usually appears on the order confirmation page or email, so be specific and helpful. Once you're happy with the details and instructions, scroll down and click on Activate Cash on Delivery. Shopify will save your settings, and COD will immediately become an available payment option for your customers at checkout.